Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Green Bengal. Today I am going to show my Ficus Bonsai. This is my 4 years old Ficus plant. This is a very nice look. Roots are very well developed. If you are a beginner, you can make it bonsai the Ficus plant. It can easily propagate it from cuttings. This is my 2-month-old Ficus cutting. It is already growth is starting here. Root are well developed. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video. If you any query, please comment me and subscribe my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.